Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. speaking out about a CDC report out this week showing an increase in autism amongst America's children. Experts say the increase is largely due to better awareness, improved screening, and a broader definition that now includes much milder cases. But Kennedy says that is really only part of the story. ABC's Rena Roy has more on what Kennedy plans to do about what he calls an epidemic.
A new CDC report released this week estimates autism cases increasing in the U.S. And now the top federal health official says he's going to get to the bottom of what's causing those increases.
We are doing this to our children, and we need to put an end to it.
The report says an estimated 1 in 31 8-year-old children were diagnosed in 2022, compared to 1 in 36 in 2020. And specialists say that's likely influenced by more awareness, better screening, and a wider range of diagnoses that fall on the spectrum.
The definition of autism has greatly been broadened. So as the definition broadens, we will likely see a rise in that number.
But today, in his first press conference as Health and Human Services Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. claimed changes in diagnostics are a small percentage of the reason for the increase, but environmental toxins are likely the major cause, and that he's planning new studies that will look at a number of factors like mold, air, and water.
These are kids that this is a preventable disease. We know it's an environmental exposure.
Studies suggest that autism risk is heavily rooted in genetics, and specialists agree that there could be environmental factors at play too. Scientists have been studying autism for decades and have yet to identify a definitive set of environmental factors that cause autism.
Correlation does not equal causation. Just because two things exist in time does not mean that one thing causes another. And I think that's what's happening here.
Kennedy, who has faced sharp criticism from medical experts for omitting crucial context and suggesting in the past vaccines are to blame, also falsely claimed that most cases of autism nowadays are severe. But experts say this isn't true. In the recent CDC report, less than 40% of children were classified as having an intellectual disability.
Now, RFK Jr. says they should have some answers on a potential cause starting in September, but medical experts say that timeline is unlikely. We'll see come September.